Hello everyone, welcome to Pravya's Food Diaries. I hope you are doing good and enjoying our recipes. If you love watching them, please like, share, subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get the notifications of our new recipes. In this video, we are going to see how to make double chocolate chip cookies. These cookies are very delicious and mouth-watering and are made in just 30 minutes. So without any delay, let's start with the recipe. In a bowl, add 1½ cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder and mix it well. Now add 3/4 cup of powdered sugar and mix it too. In another bowl, add ½ cup of butter and 100 grams of dark chocolate chunks. Here I am using salted butter, and if you are using unsalted butter, add some salt to taste. Melt butter and chocolate in a microwave or on a double boiler. Mix the melted chocolate and butter with the dry ingredients. And add 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk and gather everything together to form a dough. Make sure you do not knead the dough. Now add ½ cup of choco chips to the dough. With the help of a scooper, scoop out cookie dough on the baking sheet. Scooper will help us to get the cookies of the equal size. You can also use a spoon to get the equal size cookie dough. Make sure to use a baking sheet or a butter paper to get the even colored cookies. Put some choco chips on the top of the cookies. Bake these cookies in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes. These cookies may look unbaked on taking out of the oven. Make sure you let them cool till room temperature. Your double chocolate chip cookies are ready to eat. They are crunchy on the outside and gooey in the inside. If you loved this recipe, please do give a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section whether you loved it or not.